About 80% of stocks move the same way the market does. So it's logical that if you want to make money from stocks, you need to know which way the market is pointing. Is it a bull market or is it a bear market? And within that bull or bear market, because there can be contradicting directions, which way are stocks going this week? Which is especially important for traders, of course. My market prediction system outperformed Warren Buffett each year since 1982 and predicted major market crashes like the one in 2008. So see the proof for yourself of that, as well as get that proprietary system for free at stockgossipfilter.com, where you'll also receive my weekly stock watch list that I use for my stock trading win rate of 82%, as well as my free and fast course that teaches you how to read charts like the ones I'm about to show you. Don't get caught out. Subscribe. You cannot afford to miss an important call in the market. Your livelihood literally depends on it. So let's see what's going on right now. Is it a bull? Is it a bear? And what's going on this week? Welcome to this week's update after the market closed on 10th of November. This is a very rare episode because it's not that often that the system we look at actually gets to declare a brand new bull market or a brand new bear market. But in this case, as of last Friday, my system says that this is finally, I've been waiting for longer than expected for all the ducks to go in a row, and now it says this is a brand new bull market. And you know, the funny thing is that it always says so. It always says so when it seems wrong to say so, when the climate and the consensus goes against it. In the past, I was very suspicious of the system, but because of that, but now I've just learned to blindly trust it because it always works. So just a note about that. I mean, typically it means at least for the next several months higher prices, but you know, it could be that next week it goes out again. It switches, says, okay, go back to cash. But right now it says all in. So bear in mind that this is a medium to long-term forecast. This is not what happens next week. That's a separate thing altogether. This is a forecast over the next, say, maybe few to months to several months out, even years. This system has been, and I got to say it doesn't feel right once again. But remember, the stock market and the economy are not the same thing. They're different things. There's a correlation there, but I've learned that one the hard way. So we are now in a bull market. So that's the long-term situation. I can finally change that Fox picture that's been there all year long. And let's look at the week ahead. So the market looks like it sort of bounced out of this sort of indecision zone and broke this level of the head and shoulders before, as I was commentating on. Now it's got back above that. It's looking kind of stretched for the week ahead, but I'm going to go on the slightly bullish side. We're entering a new moon cycle, which is another thing that's going ahead. So slightly bullish for the week ahead. But the big picture, though, back to the big star of the show, which is brand new bull market. I'll speak to you next time. Don't forget, subscribe now so you don't miss an important turning point in the market for the better or the worse, and get my powerful market prediction system for free at stockgossipfilter.com. I'll speak to you there.